Hi there, and you're welcome to DASTCI. I'm super excited to be explaining our compensation reward structure as well as the incentive aspects to you today. It's a very outstanding way to earn money, either monthly or based on your own discretion. You can have unlimited earnings if you choose to partake in any or all of these reward structures. So, without further ado, let's get started. Now, as you may already know, we have a signal providing service that produces outstanding results, but this affiliate section is another way for you to earn steady income as well, either on a monthly basis, like I said, or based on your own pace. So we have the affiliate reward structure for Core 2.0, which is our flagship product. We also have the affiliate reward structure for SSS, which is the smaller package for this, and also for the subscription aspect as well. So let's get started on this one for Core 2.0. So we have here the partner rank. On the partner rank, you have 10 direct referrals, and the executive rank follows, where you have 140 direct referrals. Now, I want to state that for each of these ranks is more like a breakaway system. That means that you're starting the rank afresh. So, but however, it does not mean that you need a prerequisite. For example, you've gotten 10 people and have completed your partner stage. For the executive stage, some people would ask if you need those 140 persons to have completed the partner stage. Well, that is not the case here. Once you have your 10 persons, you are through with the partner stage and you are cycled into the executive stage, where you need to bring only 140 persons in that level to get the total earnings and the incentives attached to each rank. For the ambassador level, you're through with 140 persons. You need to bring 150 persons afresh to complete ambassador rank. So people will ask again, do those 150 persons need to have brought 140 persons? No. Each time you enter a rank, you're starting afresh and you're just getting the necessary number of people for that rank. That is how the Core 2.0 affiliate reward structure works. Now, I want to quickly explain how the circle out bonus and total earnings are calculated. Now, for the partner rank, you have 10 direct referrals. Already, because direct referral bonus for this particular reward structure is $20. That means you have 20 times 10. You've made $200. You then get a circle out bonus of $10, making your total earnings $210. So for this affiliate reward structure, we do offer what we call something called a volume bonus. So let's say, for example, in the ambassador stage, where you've gotten 150 direct persons, your circle out bonus for this level is $200. Now your volume bonus is usually $10 per 10 persons. So for this level, you would have gotten $150 additional. So 20, which is a direct referral bonus, times 150 would give you $3,000 plus the 150 volume bonus, making $3,150 plus your $200 cycle out bonus, which gives you $3,350 at that level. Now, I also do want to state that at this level, that is the platinum ambassador and brand ambassador rank, the volume bonus is automatically removed because the earnings for the volume bonus is usually directed towards the incentive section, because in those stages is where you win the mini trip and the car incentive as well. So that is automatically added to it. Now, let us look at the SSS affiliate reward structure. The SSS package comes at $25. The direct referral bonus for this rank is $5. And economically, it's easier to get more people to pay a lower amount than to get more people to pay a higher amount. However, because we do offer real value, deducting quite a lot for referral rewards here is actually quite difficult, and that's why we have a higher target reach for direct referrals here as well. Now, we want to talk about how this is calculated. We have different ranks here. Each rank here also gets the same incentives that each rank in the Core 2.0 get. So let's say for the first rank of Core 2.0, where you're receiving a rechargeable foldable fan, once you complete the silver rank here, you also get that incentive as well. After this, we explain the incentives, but let's just go into details on how this is calculated right now. There are some major differences between this reward structure and that of Core 2.0. Here, we do not give volume bonuses, and also there are very few cycle out bonus stages. We have just 3 cycle out bonus stages. The first 3 do not come with cycle out bonuses, and the calculation of this is a little bit different from that of Core 2.0 as well. And I want to state 2 examples. For example, those in the silver package who have completed it and moved to platinum. Now you might ask, do the 200 people need to bring 50 people before you complete platinum stage? The answer to that is no. How you get to platinum stage is, for your silver stage, you've gotten 50 people. You deduct that from the amount you see on the next stage to get the difference. That difference is what you need to get to complete that platinum stage. So for example, to complete the platinum stage, your deduction would be 200 minus 50, which would give you 150 persons that you need to get in addition to the silver stage to be able to complete the platinum stage. For the gold stage, your deductions will be 500 minus 200 to get 300 persons that you need in addition to the platinum stage to complete the gold stage, and it goes on like that. The cycle out bonus is available for diamond, ruby, and jadeite stage, with the total earnings being calculated simply as the direct referral bonus times the amount of people needed for that stage plus the cycle out bonus if it applies to that particular level. Now let us look at the incentive section. As stated earlier, these incentives apply to both reward structures. However, the cash bonus attached to it may be different. For completing the first rank on both reward structures, you get a rechargeable foldable fan. Cash bonus is available for Core 2.0 but not available for SSS. For completing the second stage, you get a Samsung Galaxy A51 phone. Cash bonus is available for Core 2.0 reward structure but not for SSS. For completing the third rank on both reward structures, you win a brand new laptop. Cash reward is available for Core 2.0 structure but not for SSS. For completing the fourth rank on both reward structures, you win a complete solar system. Cash reward for Core 2.0 is $300, but for SSS, it's $100. For completing the fifth rank on both reward structures, you win a 3-day mini vacation. Cash reward for Core 2.0 is $400, however, it's just $300 for the SSS reward structure. Now, for completing the final rank for both reward structures, you win a brand new car, and the cash reward for both structures is $500 respectively. Now let's take a quick look at the subscription reward structure first to know how to earn from the subscription aspect as well. The subscription aspect gives you the ability to earn monthly for life once you have people who have registered under you but still continue to subscribe to our signal providing service. You earn 20% on each subscription package. So let's say, for example, you have 100 people that subscribed to the bronze package under you. That means you're entitled to $500 monthly, and so it applies to all other packages as well. You can calculate how much you earn by the end of the month by simply multiplying your reward by the amount of people who subscribe to our signal package under you during that month. It's very simple to calculate. And we want to encourage you to take advantage of this offer because it affords you the ability to earn unlimited income for a lifetime. Alright people, so that is the end of this presentation. You really do need to take advantage of this opportunity to explain to you right here to be able to get unlimited income this year and beyond. That is all for now from me and from all of us here at DASTCI. Do not forget to follow us on all social media handles.